Right. Appreciate long responses. Straight line. 2 hours. Not almost right. Right here.
So the chemistry, again,
Negative only. Yeah. I have to take that negative only. So as we have discussed that with minus q, we have to take in that way which is
like this, equal to
so this is three nuclei combining to form a given nuclei fusing. So energy of these three together is equal to the energy of the result one plus energy released. So that is actually equation, chemical equation. Otherwise, if you want to write EA minus if you bring, then it becomes minus Q. Energy liberated will be minus. You get that way. What I have given as energy liberated is Q, then you can take it as equal to minus Q, you have to take it as Q. That way you can take it otherwise. Yeah. So question number 11. No? Let's see now. What is 12? 12. So question number 11. Page number. So the question is, the particle is projected from ground with some initial velocity, making an angle of 45 degree with horizontal. It reaches a height of maximum height, which is a height of 7.5 meters above the ground, while it travels a horizontal distance of 10 meters. Horizontal distance of 10 meters from the point of projection. The initial speed of the projection is u is equal to what? We should know the relation between here. So when theta is 45, range will be maximum. Theta should be when theta is 45. You have to remember that range will be maximum. So as for theta is equal to 45 degree, r is equal to r max is equal to u square by g is square by g, and for this angle range is given as this. So we have to say that u square by g is equal to 10, right? U square is equal to 10g. G is again 10, so 10 into 10, So u is equal to square root of 110. This is the height of 7.5 meter. Over the ground when it travels a horizontal distance of no. Actually, the question is it reaches a height of 1.5 meter above the ground when it travels a horizontal distance of 10 meter from the point of projection. It is not completed. It is not given that it is a maximum range. It is not maximum height. It reaches a height of 7.5 meter when it travels a horizontal distance of 10 meter. That is the point actually. So this we have taken in a wrong way. This is not a range. This is not maximum height. It reaches a height. So if you consider this diagram, then you'll understand. If a body is projected, if a body is projected, it's an initial velocity u. Okay, this is maximum height. If you say this is x-axis and you take this is y-axis, you say this is maximum height is this, and our range is this. But what is the point here is when it reaches somewhere height of this some height of this is a height. This height is 7.5 meter. That and under that for that particular point, the horizontal distance is nothing but x is equal to 10 meter. Is not range, complete range. Got it? So what is the velocity of projection provided if it is projected at an angle of theta is equal to 45? Okay, so, so that means at a given point, horizontal displacement, vertical displacement have given. Horizontal and vertical displacements have given. Got it? That means position coordinates are given. This is the position. Vertical displacement is 7.5 means if you say the position is x comma y, coordinates are x comma y. X is horizontal distance that is equal to 10. Vertical distance is nothing but height that is 7.5. Okay. Then they have given what is the here. If this is here, then what is the velocity of projection you are asked to find? If these are x and y, what else is given here? Theta is 45. X is equal to 10 meters. Y is equal to 7.5 meters. So, what you are asked to find? What is the velocity of projection? Velocity of projection. Right. So then to find, we have to think about which relation which relates x y u theta x y u theta in projectile motion case. The time of light, if you observe time of light, or range, or maximum height, all these, you get different relations, right? What is this? Let us start with time of light. Time of light is equal to 2u sin theta by g, and range is what is that? U square sin 2 theta by g, and h is u square sin square theta by 2g, etc. will get. Hmm? But there is no relation which relates x, y, u and theta. X, y, u and theta. So to understand this, let us, if you think about the equation of projectile, from equation of path of projectile, or simply equation of projectile, if you say y is equal to tan theta into x minus g by 2u square cos square theta into x square, then as y is given as if substitute this over here, y is 7.5 is equal to tan theta. Theta is 45. Tan 45 is directly let us substitute. Tan 45 is 1 into x is 10, right? 10 x is 10 minus g is 10 by 2 into u square cos square theta. Theta is 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Whole square is 1 by 2, right? Into x square. X square is 10 into 10. 10 into 10. So here this two cancel. Yes, so this 100 into 10 becomes 1000. This is 10, no? Hmm? X square only, right? This one? Then, here, then what you will get here is, you can write like this. If you bring this here, then it becomes what? 1000 by u square. 1000 by u square is equal to 10 minus 7.5. How much? 2.5. Yes? Yes or no? Then you can write u square is equal to 1000 by 2.5. Right? 1000 by 2.5. How can you simplify this now? Um, 10 by 10, 25, right? So 10,000 by 25. 25, how many times it goes? Let's keep this two zeros here. 100, how many times it goes? 25 fours into 100. So you can write it as 10,000 as 100 into 100, right? So 400. 400 is u square. So from this, simply you can say that u is equal to 20 meter per second. This is how you can find by using the xy coordinates. They are not maximum range and maximum height. That is what you have to understand carefully. Do you understand? So you shouldn't misunderstand the given data. So this way, this is how you have to. So you shouldn't use this. You shouldn't use this process. Okay. Yes.
Today's class we got to finish it. So some sums can
Yes, yes, guys. Actually, just a brief revision of today's discussion. Just in the previous session, we have discussed about the equation of path of projectile. Equation of path of projectile. It is nothing but y is equal to tan theta into x minus g by 2 u square cos square theta into x square. This can be expressed in this form, where a will be this and b will be this constants. And whereas time of flight, we have discussed it as 2 u sin theta by g. This can also be expressed as, because u sin theta is y component of initial velocity. So 2 uy by g, and r is what do you call range. Range is expressed as u square sin 2 theta by g, and this further can also be expressed as 2 into u cos theta into u sin theta by g, where u cos theta is ux and u sin theta is uy, so we can write it as u 2 into x uy by g. And h is maximum height, u square sin square theta by 2g you will get. Here few more sub cases we will consider here. One of that is maximum range, R max. Maximum range will be obtained at theta equal to 45. So maximum range is nothing but u square by g at theta is equal to 45. This is maximum range formula. And one more point you have to remember based on our today's discussion is at complementary angles. At complementary angles, which are nothing but theta and 90 minus theta, we get same range. We get same range for a given velocity of projection. For a given velocity of projection. For a given velocity of projection. That means, let us see with some example. If theta is if theta is 30 degrees, then another complementary angle for this is nothing but 90 minus theta. It can be expressed as 90 minus 30, that is 60. 60. So if you consider this, what do you call, projectile motion, if you project your body at 30 degrees, it will reach some maximum height, and you get some range here. But if you project at a complementary angle called 60 degrees, something like this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degree, it may reach maximum height, but range will be same. For both, the range will be same. That is the meaning of what you call uh, at complementary angles, or for complementary angles. For complementary angles theta and 90 minus theta, we get same range. Okay, for given velocity of projection means, in both cases you have to project with the same velocity. Velocity of projection will be same only. Okay, so that is another point you have to just keep in mind. So these are few points we have discussed in today's session. Tomorrow's session, let us try to work out the remaining parts, and also some numericals. Okay, I'm ending the session. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.